My hair has been like this in this state for more than a week now. I mean, about 9 or 10 days now, okay? And I still feel like, rocking another hairstyle with this hair. I don't want to wash my hair just yet. And before I can actually create another hairstyle, I really need to moisturize my hair because, it's kind of dry. And the last time I moisturized my hair was on my last wash day. So for me to actually create another hairstyle, I need to moisturize my hair. So that's basically what this video is going to be about. Ideally, I am supposed to wash my hair, and get fresh moisture into my hair, but there's a way we can maneuver it and, skip wash day and re-moisturize my hair, get instant moisture into my hair in a very simple way. Okay, hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing good. And if this is your first time on my channel, if this is your first time seeing my face, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Adedoyin. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how I get instant moisture into my hair, by skipping wash day, if that makes sense. Okay, and for that purpose, I'm going to be using my face steamer. I know it's a face steamer, right? But steam comes out of it, and I feel like I should be able to use it for my hair as well. I really want you to keep in mind that if you are going to use this method to, re-moisturize your hair, then your hair shouldn't be very dirty. So I didn't really use a lot of products on my last wash day. I did not use any coiling products. I did not use any gel. The only thing I used on my last wash day was leave-in conditioner and oil. Okay, so I don't really have a lot of build up, and my hair is not very dirty, and that's the reason why I feel like I can still, do this process to, moisturize my hair and create another hairstyle later on. Okay, yeah, so I want you guys to keep that in mind if you want to do this process. Okay, the first thing I would be doing is obviously to take down my twist and to take down the bun at the back. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do that now. Can we please take a moment to appreciate how bomb this twist out is? But that's not why we're here, so let's proceed. I went ahead to separate my hair into 4 different sections, 2 in the front and 2 at the back. That way it's going to be really easy for me to work with my hair, manage my hair, and it's also going to make the whole process, very fast, and I can get done with it as soon as possible. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and start working with each section, and the first thing I'm going to do is to spray each section with water. Okay, so I shifted to the back to spray my hair just so that the water does not affect the gadgets that was in front of me, my laptop and all of that. Okay, and then I went ahead to squeeze in the water into my hair just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my steamer with water now, and this cup actually came with the steamer, and it is stated in the manual that you shouldn't fill the steamer with more than 50 ml of water, and that is exactly the measurements of this cup. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to put the link to where you can get this particular steamer in the description box if you're in Nigeria, and even if you're outside Nigeria, I'm going to put the link to where you can get it in the description box. All right, so I went ahead to put on my steamer. I allowed the steam to come up for about 3-4 minutes. Okay, and then I just placed my hair directly above the steam just to allow my hair absorb the steam. And it is actually really important as well to lift my hair, to separate my hair, just so that every single strand of each section absorb the steam, if that makes sense. Okay, so there are lots of benefits to using steam, okay, generally, but I'm going to focus on the benefits of using steam on your hair, obviously, in today's video. Okay, so using steam on your hair actually helps to open up the cuticle layer of your hair, just so that every product you apply on your hair absorb better and deeply into your hair strands. Okay, so as you can see, as you have already seen rather, I sprayed my hair with some water earlier, and using steam on my hair now allows the moisture to penetrate better into my hair strands. Okay, and then I also went ahead to apply leave-in conditioner into my hair, and as you know already, leave-in conditioner also moisturizes your hair, and it also keeps moisture in your hair, for a longer period of time, depending on the kind of leave-in conditioner that you use. Okay, so I just went ahead to apply the leave-in conditioner on my hair, making sure that I get every single strand of my hair, and I also made sure that I applied the leave-in conditioner while the steam was still being distributed all over my hair strands, if that makes sense. I made sure to do this particular process, applying the leave-in conditioner, massaging the leave-in conditioner into my hair just above the steamer. Okay, I allowed the steamer to do its thing, and I think I spent about roughly 10-15 minutes on each section. Okay, and I had like 4 sections of my hair at this point, and I think I spent roughly about 40 minutes in total for everything. Okay, so I made sure to also focus on the ends of my hair, because obviously that's the weakest and the deadest part of the hair. And I don't know if you can notice, the ends of my hair are actually kind of weak already, judging from this video, but don't worry, I went ahead to trim my hair later on, and if you stick around on my channel, you will definitely see the video when I upload it. Okay, so steaming your hair is actually really beneficial. I'm also going to show you another way I use steam on my hair later on in this video, so if you stick around, you will definitely watch that part as well. Okay, I also went ahead to lock in the moisture, because at this point my hair already feels moisturized, and just so that the moisture can last longer in my hair, I went ahead to seal in the moisture with my hair oil basically. Okay, so I used the LCO method most times. Okay, I use the LCO, the liquid, cream and oil method most times. Okay, and then I went ahead to detangle my hair. I did all of this while the steam was still getting distributed all over my hair. I don't want to say spray, but you get what I'm trying to say. So it was actually a breeze detangling my hair. I started from the tips, working my way down to the roots, you know, just same old, nothing different. Okay, and it was such a breeze. It was really easy. My hair felt so moisturized. And then I just twisted each section into 2 other sections, so making a total of 8 sections, because you know, when you do things like this in sections, it makes the whole process really easy and really fast. Okay. So this is what everything looks like at the end of the moisturizing, and this is exactly what my hair looks like after trimming my ends and after blow drying my hair. You can tell from this video that my hair actually looks really moisturized. Okay, and I think this process is actually like a win for you if you're trying to skip wash day and your hair is not very dirty and you still want to skip wash day and create another hairstyle. It's actually a win for you. You can go for this method. Your hair will definitely feel really moisturized, and then you can postpone your wash day. But if your hair is very dirty, sis, you need to get into the shower and wash the hair. Okay, so another way that I use steam on my hair is to use it to deep condition my hair. So I just, apply the deep conditioner all over my hair, just as you're seeing right now. I allow the steamer to, bring out the steam, and then I distribute the steam all over my hair, and this allows the cuticle layer of my hair, like I said earlier, to open up, and then the deep conditioner penetrates better into my hair strands. It infuses the moisture better into my hair strands. Okay, and I also do this process in sections as well. Okay, but you can as well not use this process for deep conditioning if you have your steaming cap, but it's just that I don't really use steaming caps, and like the last time I used steaming cap was like 2 or 3 years ago, and I really did not have a good experience with it. Okay, I really did not have a good experience with steaming cap, so I kind of like this particular process. So I just allow the steam to open up my cuticle layer, allow the deep conditioner to penetrate my hair better. Okay, and then after detangling, and when I've gotten enough steam in my hair, when I feel like it's enough, I just cover my hair with my shower cap, and then I allow the deep conditioner to sit in my hair for about 10 to 20 minutes, okay, depending on the particular deep conditioner that I used at a particular time, and then I rinse it all off, and my hair will definitely feel so moisturized. Now imagine using steam to deep condition, and then you use steam to moisturize your hair with the leave-in conditioner again. I mean, your hair is definitely going to feel like candy, like candy cotton, or what's that thing? You get what I'm trying to say? Okay, so you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.